Last spring I pruned this Miscanthus, graziella, and I only did half of it because I pruned it pretty late in the season and I wanted to see what would happen if I just left it. It's actually quite large this year and thick. If you can tell where I cut and where I didn't. Basically, I cut the blades one by one all the way down there, but in the back I just sheared. So there should be browned stems that are short back here. I have to be careful too because it cuts. So there's a lot of brown stems back there. Oh, here we go. Here's some of the sheared ones. So I just kind of cut right there. That's about 2 feet above ground, I'd say. And so I did that with the whole back of the plant, but the front, I literally cut all the way to the ground. The dead blades, and all of this is new growth just from this season. It has these awesome flowers, which right now they're kind of a burgundy color, and they'll pop open later in the season and be fluffy and white, just like this porcupine grass flower. Looking at it from this angle, I don't know if you can tell, but it seems like the backside where I sheared it isn't as robust as the front, but it could be because the sun comes from this way. But overall, you can't tell that I just sheared the back and manually pruned the front. Miscanthus graziella. Graziella.